Hey everybody, Mr. Rubo here. Today we're going to talk about adding and subtracting rational expressions again, but this time these examples are going to have different denominators. So we talked about it last time. When you add and subtract, you have to have the same denominator. If you don't, we're going to look at how to deal with that today. So let's say we have 3w plus 1 over 3w plus w minus 8 over 4w. So here we can see they both have a w, so that's good. They have a common factor, but this one has a 3, this one has a 4. So what we need to do is we need to multiply this fraction by 3 over 3 and this fraction by 4 over 4. When we do that, we're going to multiply it out to everything. So that'd be 12w plus 4 over 12w. This one plus 3w minus 24 all over 12w. And look at that, we have a common denominator. So we add our numerators together. 12w plus 3w is 15w. 4 plus negative 24 is negative 20 all over 12w. And then you should factor to see if it simplifies. I can factor out a 5 to get 3w minus 4. Well, 5 and 12 don't have any common factors, and w and 3w minus 4 are no common factors there either. So I would accept either answer. Okay. So now let's see one where maybe let's make it a little tougher. So with this one, we're going to have 6 over x plus 8 over x plus 4. So with this one, we have a factor of x in the denominator and a factor of x plus 4 in the denominator, which means this one's missing an x plus 4. So we got to multiply it to the top and bottom. This one's missing just an x. So now we multiply it out. 6x plus 24. That's going to be 8x. And then the denominator, we don't need to multiply it out. We actually want to leave it in factored form in case we can simplify at the end. Okay? So then 6x plus 8x is 14x plus 24 all over that. And then the only thing we can do up top is take out a 2. So you get 7x plus 12 all over x and x plus 4. Well, I don't see an x plus 4 and x on the top as a factor, so we are done there. Okay. Cool. Do one more example, and this one just to see it where they may have a common factor, but not all of them. So let's have x plus 1 over x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus 6 times x squared minus 4. So here we factor. So x plus 1 over, and that's going to be x plus 2 and x plus 2 minus 6 over x plus 2, x minus 2. So now we look at the factors. Both have an x plus 2. This one has 2 of them though, which means this one also needs 2 of them. So I'm going to multiply by x plus 2 over x plus 2 to this side. This one has an x minus 2 and this one doesn't, so I need that over here as well. Okay, now we go ahead and we multiply out the tops. Now, make sure you multiply that out correctly. You're going to get x squared minus x minus 2 all over this lovely denominator. So I'm going to write it as x plus 2 squared, so it's a little less work. Minus, and then 6x plus 12 all over x minus 2, x plus 2 squared. All right, and then now I'm going to do the subtraction. When I do the subtraction, make sure you subtract everything. So it's going to end up being x squared minus x minus 6x is minus 7x, minus 2 minus 12 is minus 14, and then there is our denominator. And guess what? This does not factor, so we cannot cancel out any factors unless we had x squared minus 7x minus 14 on the bottom too. Because we don't, we're done, and there is our answer. Okay. So yeah, if you're adding or subtracting and they don't have the same denominator, multiply to get the same denominator. All right. And then add your numerators. So thanks for watching and have a good day.